Here's how you can make 100,000 in 2022. So I've made over 100,000 in less than 8 months. I started making money online in October 2021. And this year around June, just before the end of June, I then saw that I had already made 100,000. So my name is Malebo Nkosi. I am a content creator and I also specialize in affiliate marketing. This is the way that I've made most of my money that I've made online. And I just want to teach you, if you're interested, about what affiliate marketing is. Because that's the question that I get most of the time. Like, what is affiliate marketing? How does it work? Can you teach me how it works and so forth? So the slides are already available on my stand store, so you can go and find them and start going through this slides by yourself. It's sort of like a guideline of some sort. But yeah, I'm also going to be taking you through this in the next coming days. So this is going to probably be like a 4-part, 5-part series. I'm not sure yet. And then, yeah, let's get into the first part. What is affiliate marketing? So a lot of people will oversimplify the process to say, okay, you join, you promote, and then you earn. And then say that that's essentially what affiliate marketing is. But how I see it as someone who has been doing affiliate marketing for almost 8 months now is this process. So you've got 3 role players, and that's what we're going to be discussing in this specific part, right? So these role players, who are they? What are the different roles that they play? So you've got the advertiser, you've got the publisher, you also have the customer, right? So who's the advertiser? The advertiser is any business or organization that wants their products or services out there. Then you've got a publisher, who would be you that's interested in affiliate marketing or that's already in affiliate marketing. And then the customer will probably be your audience. As an affiliate marketer or as a publisher, you'd have an existing audience, right? So it doesn't matter which distribution channel that you're going to be using. It doesn't also have to be a social media, because a lot of people will be like, oh, I don't have a social media presence. So what does that mean in terms of affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing has nothing to do with social media, but social media is one of the ways that you can use to get your affiliate marketing out there, right? So there are people that use websites, there are people that use blogs, ebooks, and so forth. So we'll discuss that in another part. So today we're just going to discuss the role players, as I've mentioned. So the advertiser, I've already explained. Publisher, let's go to the customer. So the customer will be your audience, and you are going to promote to the customer. Once you've promoted to the customer and the customer has done what they're supposed to be doing, then the advertiser will then pay you for promoting. You guys agree on the payment process, as well as what it is that you are expected to do or expected to explain to the customer to do in order for you to get payment. So I hope that makes a bit of sense, and this sort of informs you as to what affiliate marketing is all about and if it's something that is suited for you in terms of making money.